Welcome back to TechCalling, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and tech trends so you don't have to. In today's episode, we are reviewing the Runner Diver2 bone conduction headphones designed for the active user with a burst of features tailored for anyone who doesn't want to choose between great sound and staying alert in outdoor environments. So let's break it down and see if they're worth your time and money. So first up, let's talk about design and comfort of the Runner Diver2 headphones. They use bone conduction technology which transmits sound directly through your skull. The Runner Diver2 is lightweight and features a sleek wraparound design that stays secure during vigorous activities. They are IP68 certified, meaning they are fully dustproof and waterproof, making them an excellent choice for swimmers or anyone who sweats a lot during workouts. However, some users might find the bone conduction vibration slightly uncomfortable in long sessions, depending on personal sensitivity. For the design and comfort, I would rate 7 out of 10. Now, moving on to performance and features. The Runner Diver2 packs Bluetooth 5.3 technology for a stable and quick pairing experience. A standout feature is the built-in MP3 player with a whopping 32 GB of storage, allowing you to load up your music and listen without needing a separate device. Perfect for swimming where Bluetooth might not reach. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, and it supports fast charging. A full charge takes just about 1.5 hours. Additionally, the headphones come with a CVC 6.0 noise-cancelling microphone, which makes taking clear calls even in noisy environment. Sound quality is robust with their exclusive OT leakage reduction 3.0 technology, which drastically reduces sound leakage, a common issue with other open-ear designs. So for these performance and features, I would rate 7.5 out of 10. So here's my verdict. The Runner Diver2 bone conduction headphones are a solid choice for tech-savvy sports enthusiasts. The integration of bone conduction technology with an internal MP3 player and excellent waterproofing make them uniquely suited for swimmers and runners alike. It is completely resistant to dust and water, allows for music playback without the need for an external device. The Runner Diver2 excels in functionality and innovation, making them ideal for outdoor sports where environmental awareness is crucial. They offer a safe way to enjoy music while staying alert to your surroundings. However, the very nature of the bone conduction technology, while preserving ambient sound awareness, sacrifices some sound quality, especially the bass and overall richness that traditional headphones might offer. This could be a significant downside for audiophiles or those who try high-fidelity sound. Given these factors, the overall rating for Runner Diver2 bone conduction headphones is set at 7.3 out of 10. This score reflects a strong performance in utility and design tailored for physical activities, but also acknowledges the critical areas of potential discomfort and sound quality limitations that might not meet everyone's need. Thank you for tuning into today's episode on TechCalling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest tech reviews.